Alright guys, so you're cruising along in your Lego Enterprise that you built at one of our tutorials, and all of a sudden you see on your tracking whatever device a bird of prey. Dun, dun, dun. Alright guys, so this is the Klingon bird of prey, as you can see. Looks pretty close to the ones in the show and the movies. Its wings can fold up and down, and the cockpit can swivel back and forth. Don't think it did that in the movie though, but you can. It's not exactly to scale with the Enterprise, but it is pretty close enough for like a display if you wanted to. Does have adjustable stand. Trying to make a cool thumbnail so you can see what it looks like. Alright, so this wasn't a viewer request, it's one we made just for fun, and this is a picture of what it looks like. Just wanted to mention, guys, really fast that this Lego version does not have the cloaking ability that the one on the show does, so it's not going to turn invisible. I may have spoken too soon. The ship seems to have disappeared. I'm not sure where it is. Oh, there it is back again, way over there. So it actually does have a cloaking ability. Yeah, that's going to go on here. So there you have it, guys. Bird of prey. Next to the Enterprise. If you haven't watched the Enterprise video, you should check it out so you can build it too. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed the video. Leave a like and subscribe. And if you have any other space-themed ideas, let us know in the comments.